And next up is Bill Marr of Special Computing. Bill, do we have you on the line?
Yeah, I'm here.
Thanks. I do have control of the slides again on WebEx, so I'll be able to flip through those for you. Sorry about that, Rusty.
Okay. Fine, you can just do the next slide, I guess, we can get started. Okay, so as most of you probably know, about the cables that I put together to make sure that we can easily get somebody going. We have, I try to make it as simple as possible for everybody because a lot of the customers that I have under various OSs, under various conditions, may not have a lot of this stuff. And so now I've more towards the expansion boards and doing more of the special stuff. And special could actually mean something unique or something really, really retarded. So you get to choose which one is which. The idea here is that what we're having is a number of cables and functionalities that we think are unique that is not just to get somebody going, but to have some kind of special utility that we can make some mods. And so what I'm actually doing is recruiting as many people as we can to do special variations of everything. So for instance, in the case of the BeagleBoard, the board itself, I'm trying to be one of the distributors so that we can actually build custom versions, like with connectors gone and with this and this gone and all that. So those people that want to just deal with the software and want to leave the hardware to somebody else but not have to, hack up the board after it's been fully assembled. So we have different variations that I want to discuss first before we get into the LCD part. In this slide, don't move the slide yet, but this slide, I just wanted to show that there's a header. There are two types of headers. The Rusty's talk was talking about the expansion header, but in the Rev C, there's also an LCD header. So we're doing a lot of different activity going on with just not the LCD itself, but various video components, which is obviously the part of it. So we're trying to evaluate different ways of going about creating video and multimedia and so forth. And having an LCD and expansion connector and all the I/O and all the different ways of talking to video and outputting video, that's all part of the strategy that we have. So, okay, so we can go to the next slide. So one example would be having a Pico DLP. So there's all these other variations that we have where we deal with the I2C interface. It's also available on the Pico DLP interface. So there's various ways of driving it, multiple DLPs together, that sort of thing. That's what we've been working on as well. And we also provide the